everyone, it's Genene, and I have another short restorative yoga practice for you. We have some gentle inversions, and to that end, I would grab 2 blankets or a bolster so that you can be supported in these asanas. And then do remember to click the subscribe button if you haven't already. If you have, thank you so much. And I hope to hear from you in the comments below, letting me know how this practice worked for you. And remember, if you like this video, click the like button because that tells me that I should do more videos like this. So let's begin lying on our backs. So you can remove, if you have your blankets or props, just get them out of the way for a moment or two. And we'll just do a little low back release, drawing our knees into our chest. Take a few breaths here, let yourself ground, let yourself remember what brought you onto the mat today. And stating those intentions to yourself. Maybe allowing your eyes to close if it felt comfortable to you. So now release. Gently roll onto your right side, press yourself up, and come to hands and knees. And from hands and knees, downward facing dog. Tuck your toes, lift your knees off the floor. Gently come back down onto your knees and then take your either bolster or 2 blocks and you're going to place them longwise on your mat for Matsayasana. So you're going to sit in front of your bolster or blocks. Press down through the hands. Elongate your spine. Inhale. And then exhale, lie back down so that your back is supported. And you move around so that it's comfortable. And then one at a time, you can straighten your legs. Turn your palms face up, externally rotating your upper arms. So this is releasing tension in your neck and your shoulders and opening up your chest. So you can gently allow your eyes to close and let the pose do all the work for you. Your job is with every long exhale, allow yourself to sink deeper into your props, into your blankets, into your bolster. Allow them to be there to support you. To come out, you can either turn your palms down, press down with your forearms and lift up, or bend your knees. Roll to your right side. Take a full breath here. And then press yourself up. Upavista Konasana. You're going to spread your legs about 90 degrees apart. And your props are going to go in front of you for support, as many as you need. Big toes point straight up. Pelvis, top rim, tilts forward. And then if you need more, if you need less, whatever's right for you today. And you can turn your head one way or the other, or you can put your forehead down. This is all your choice. Make sure whatever you do, you're comfortable. And if you turn your head to one side, I'll cue you when to turn your head the other way. If you turned your head one direction, turn it to the other side. Take your hands in line with your shoulders, press yourself up very gently. Supported Adho Mukha Svanasana. Let's take our blankets, since we have them, and you're going to fold them again, like so. So to come out of this, hands to the insides of your legs, bend your knees, draw your legs together, and then stack like so. You can always use blocks, but since the blankets are handy, we're going to use those, as many as you need again. On hands and knees, and then the top of your head on the blankets once you get up. And you'll figure out how to organize yourself. You can feel a little more grounding that way. And take your attention to your neck. Make sure that it's relaxed here. Extending through the crown of your head, lifting the sitting bones high to the sky, and then pressing the tops of the thighs back. So there is, in this particular asana, it's restorative and yet active. So it's called an active restorative asana. If it's comfortable for you, close your eyes. Feel where your body's connected with earth. Feel the connection, the pads of your fingers, right at the base of your fingers, but then feel the lift of the arches of the hands. And see if you can feel the subtlety of rolling to the inner edges of your fingers. And then your feet. Are you trying to spin your feet outward? Or can you feel a balanced action through the balls of the feet and through the ball of the pinky toes. Let's everyone take a deep inhale in. Feel the stretch in the spine, and then exhale, let it all go. Gently come down onto your knees. At this point, you can remove your blankets unless you want them for Shavasana. Softly come into a child's pose just for a breath or two. Big toes together, knees wider than your hips to create room for your belly, your chest. Dry your hands underneath your shoulders. Press yourself up. And let's transition into Shavasana pose, lying on our backs. Take the time to get comfortable. So whatever you need to move. And then externally rotate your upper arms so that your palms can face up and your shoulder blades can roll onto your back. And let your eyes open for a moment so that you can practice slowly closing your eyes rather than slamming them shut, letting them grow heavier and heavier. Letting go of movement, letting yourself be breathed. Bend your knees. And you can always choose to stay here. If you're ready, roll onto your right side, pressing yourself up to a seated position. And gently allow your eyes to close. Let yourself take a moment to sit with what you're feeling. Join your hands together in front of your heart. Feel the benefits of your practice wash over you. Receiving the benefits, letting go of whatever's not serving you. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you again next time. Namaste.